are the top 5 meme coins you need to load up on before October that could potentially 100x. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Umar Khan. Today, we're talking about 5 meme coins that have 100x potential that you absolutely need to load up on before the month of October. So many bullish things happening in the market right now. Bitcoin over $64,000, fear and greed at 51 neutral, creeping towards the greed section, and the market's up in the green, which is absolutely solid. The top meme coins, guys, are going absolutely ballistic. Everything's basically in the green across meme coins up until we get to the down pair. But like when you look at this side, it's looking perfectly green. Most coins up anywhere from 15 to 35%, getting an average of 17% gains across the board. The meme coin market hasn't been looking this bullish in so long. And here's some things you need to know, and specifically 5 tokens you gotta load up on. So first token on the list is Nero, first Nero on Ethereum. Now the reason why this token has been pumping is it has recently been listed to Binance. And when it got listed on Binance, it went absolutely ballistic. We see on the month we're up 3,500%. Now here's the thing. Typically speaking, when a project pumps this crazy, you anticipate a crazy pullback. But the only thing is, because of the timing of the market, guys, I think Nero is going to hold its position for a long while. I'll tell you why. Bitcoin is pumping right now and about to break all-time high zones. When that happens, a lot of meme coins start pumping to their all-time highs. People get investor confidence in meme coins when altcoins are pumping. And if that happens, Nero's price will not fall, but only continue to rise in the upward direction. So you may want to load up on this project. When we go in the 1 week, guys, we can see we're up 79%, and we are seeing a bit of a pullback. We're down about 4.5%. I would say anything below 4%, potentially even a negative 10% day would be absolute load up opportunity, because I think Nero is going to go absolutely ballistic in terms of the full effect of bull run. We're going to easily see this project hit $1 billion market cap, so load up while you can. We see a whale invested $1.53 million in Nero, buying 17.1 million tokens on ETH at this price, and the price has spiked 13%. Okay, absolutely insane. There's so much activity going on. Make sure you load up in Nero. Obviously not financial advice. Next token on the list is pepe on chain. Now this project is a pre-sale project. The reason why I'm covering it is pre-sale prices have guaranteed gains locked in. What do I mean by guaranteed gains? Well, currently, if you buy right now, you're gonna get PEPU at this current price. Now, in the next 19 hours, they're raising the price, and until this project goes live, every so often, they're gonna continue to raise the price. Meaning, if you bought in a bag right now, and did absolutely nothing and just waited for the day it goes live and you sold your bag, you have a guaranteed profit. Now you take into effect that usually pre-sale tokens pump when they go live because there's so much action taking place and a lot of news around it, so you're gonna ride that pump. Then inevitably gets a decentralized exchange listing or centralized exchange listing, which causes it to pump even more. Coin market cap listings, coin gecko listings, trending tab, all these reasons cause these pre-sale gems to pump like crazy. So pre-sale projects are a great way and a safe way to lock in some gains. Today's pre-sale project we're talking about is Pepe on Chain. This project has raised nearly $15 million. It's basically Pepe, giving Pepe its own blockchain. Pepe on Chain, better speeds, better gains, same delicious Pepe flavor. Instant bridging between ETH and Pepe Chain. Low transaction fees, high volume capacity, 100x faster than ETH, and a dedicated block explorer. Rewards offering 140% AP. The future of meme coins, a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course, memes. This one's gonna go absolutely ballistic, guys. Make sure you load up now. $15 million raised is no joke in a pre-sale. When this goes live, it's gonna go absolutely ballistic. And I'm gonna tell you, I told you here first. All right, next token on the list is DOGE. DOGE has been dumping on the past month. We're down nearly 45%. And I made a whole dedicated video for DOGE earlier today talking about why it's such a great buying opportunity. So here's the thing. The airdrop has finally ended, and all the finalization had happened in the past 48 hours. That being said, there's going to be no more dumping. I mean, there could still be dumping, but a majority of the dumping has already taken place. Now, here's a bright side of that. Because the airdrop was distributed among 20.5 million investors, people might re-enter at a lower position. Not only that, it gained a lot of mainstream attention. It's gotten into the news. It's got spread its words to masses. This project could be another $1 billion market cap during this bull run. Now, I want to show you something. We go to the trending tab, guys, and we can see even though it's down 45%, it's trending in at number 8, okay? We don't see Nero here. We don't see, oh, excuse me, we do see Nero here. We don't see Shiba Inu here. We don't see Doge here. We don't see any of the top meme coins here. But for some reason, DOGE managed to trend at number 8. It's been trending for the past 3 weeks now, which is absolutely insane. Make sure you load up on DOGE. They have a lot of bullish momentum ahead for this project. And again, even on socials, guys, over 3.8 million followers. They're definitely doing something right, so you may want to load up on some dogs. All right, next token on our list is Turbo. Turbo is one of the tokens that was also listed on Binance recently, and it caused it to massively pump. We currently see on 1 month we're up about 38%. Now, when Nero got listed on Binance, it pumped like crazy. Turbo didn't get the same love. Turbo does have a massive meme community, but I guess it wasn't as big as Nero's community, meaning there's a lot more potential for us to pop off. Now, for this specific project, I wouldn't necessarily buy into it this week. I want you to put it on your watch list and be careful for an entry point. But I can guarantee you, in the span of the next couple of days, we're going to see it in this zone or potentially even this zone over here. It's going to pull back. If the community is not strong enough to just diamond hand this project, the next pump we get for this project, the next plus 15 day we get, this is absolutely dumping. So I would just watch this closely. However, it's still my top 5 projects because I think October, there could be so much potential with all that's going on in the news in the crypto space. We're going to see pumps across the board. So make sure you enter before October. Obviously not financial advice. Again, very bullish project, guys. If you don't know much about Turbo, it's basically a project that was created using ChatGPT with a $69 budget, and now it's completely decentralized for the community. Very, very bullish. All right, last and final token on the list is Baby Doge, more specifically Baby Doge 1 million token. Now, why am I so bullish on Baby Doge? Baby Doge token have been listed on Binance recently, and this project has been around since the last bull run. So around 2 to 3 years holding in the market strong. We can see on the month, guys, we're up 82%, which is not bad. It's one of the biggest gains we've seen in a long while. We see even earlier this year, close to having, it did pump a little bit more, which just goes to show there's so much more space for this puppy to grow. If this is the pump it got during the Binance listing, imagine what's going to happen when Bitcoin's hitting all-time high prices. It is going to pump and spike like crazy. This token has stand the test of time, guys. We can see it's been in the market for so long. It's had its peaks and its glories. So that just shows the trust in this project, in this community is absolutely strong. I've been personally following Baby Doge token since last bull run. I've been a holder for a long time, and I'm very bullish on this project. And I think when Bitcoin re-enters all-time high zones, Baby Doge token is going to absolutely pump to the moon. Now, this is my top 5 meme coin list to buy in September going to October. I want you guys to let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish on my list? Are you bearish on my list? Was there some tokens I should have added? What tokens do you think I might have or I should have removed? Let us know in the comment section below. That wraps up this video. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.